I personally struggled with Cyberpunk 2077 refusing to launch, trying countless solutions until I discovered effective strategies that truly resolved the problem, and I'm excited to share these with you now. First, verifying your game files is essential because games can have missing or broken parts after downloads or updates. Your computer checks all the game's pieces against what they should be, then replaces anything wrong. This makes sure the game has everything it needs to begin. Next, updating your graphics drivers is super important. Think of drivers as the instruction book for your graphics card to talk to the game. If the book is old, your card might not understand the game's new requests, causing it to crash. New drivers help them speak the same language, stopping those startup problems. Then, turning off overlays and other apps running in the background can make a huge difference. Programs like Discord or Steam often put extra information on top of your game. Sometimes these extras fight with Cyberpunk 2077 when it's trying to start using up resources or causing confusion. By closing them, you give the game a clear path to run smoothly without interference. Finally, deleting old configuration files is a powerful fix. Your game keeps special files for your settings like screen resolution or key controls. If these files get damaged from a past crash or a bad change, the game might not know how to load them, leading to another crash. Wiping these files lets the game create new, fresh ones, giving it a clean start. This is how we effectively fix Cyberpunk 2077, start up crash local files, and get you back into Night City.
Now you can't decide.